Hey, I'm Thomas. I'm an engineer at GitLab. I work in the remote development team. And I want to just quickly show you how you could install extensions without using the Microsoft Marketplace. I'll share my screen. Now, the key disclaimer here is that it doesn't quite work with the packaged server that we are now distributing with every web IDE build. It doesn't work because something's broken with the build. But Shekar and I were pairing today, and we were able to make it work in the development build. And what I mean by the development build is when you just check out the fork and you just run the start VS Code server script, it will start VS Code for you with both the server and the web part. So it's using the web IDE, but then you see that there are no extensions installed at the moment. I need to wait till it starts. But there is a command that Shekar found that you can just go and install extensions. So here I'm going to install, running the same script, just a command line attribute or command line switch to say install extension. I'm going to install the GitLab workflow. Now you see that here we've got the GitLab workflow extension with working. I can install another one, another extension. We created HelloWorld extension. And then once it installs, I can see that here there is should be HelloWorld extension as well. I'll refresh this. Did it say is not installed? Okay. Live demos, but it worked just a second ago. I think it's just some dirty state that I had with uninstalling the extensions just before installing them for this demo. So anyway, as you saw, it works with the GitLab extension. It worked with the HelloWorld, but it only works with the development build. When we actually package it, as I showed here, when we package it into the binary, it doesn't work. We were pairing on it for 2 hours, and there is still some work that we need to do, but most likely it's just the way we build it, and there is nothing blocking us from sideloading extensions this way without Microsoft Marketplace. And that's that. That's the update.